Welcome, thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive. So grab your brush, have a great time.
Yeah, so today I thought I would just do a nice relaxing painting. A little bit of blue and green I got left on my palette from a previous lesson. So I thought, why not? Just have a bit of fun. And this is a 8x4 canvas panel that I'm using today, and I just thought it would be fun just to throw some paint on the canvas and see what we can create. Just having a bit of fun, just using up the colour that I got. And painting with acrylic can be quite daunting on times, but if you just take your time and enjoy yourself, then you'd be surprised with what you can create, and what wonderful paintings and what wonderful worlds you can create. So just adding the blue and the white together and just getting that lovely wispy look that sometimes we see in the skies. There we go. Just a quick canvas painting today. And I thought we'd get a little bit of... all I got on the palette is a little bit of ultramarine blue and a little bit of yellow, and I've just made a green out of that. And I just thought I'd just push a little bit of horizon line in like that. It doesn't have to be straight. We don't worry about things like that. Not in the studio. A little bit more blue. A little bit more yellow. Just getting that green, wonderful green that we can make with ultramarine blue and a mid yellow. There we are. Just get that on the canvas like that. We can get a little bit of black into the green, because Mars black has got blue in it. So we add a little bit of black and to our yellow, we can get a lovely green. What we're going to do is just push up with the brush, only using a small brush today. All we need is a shape. We're not worried about what it looks like. Does it have to look like a tree? It doesn't have to look like a tree. Don't worry about it. Just push it in, pull it away, get it all nice and smooth like that. Make it look as if it's distance. Make it look as if it's in the distance. There we go. Just like that. Maybe we just put a little few more, just like that. So we're thinking about the field today. So let's get a bit more yellow and just lighten this up a touch. There we go. Let's just get a little bit of light in there now. So we pulled a bit of that black through. We'll just lighten that up like that. We could get maybe a path or something. Should we do a path? Should we do a path today, I think. We'll get a bit of shadow coming down. Just like that. Maybe it's just where people will be walking on the grass, that's all. Just pull that across like this. It'll all come together in a second. Get a bit more green. Blending that in like this. Blend it in, have fun. Don't relax. Just relax. Just don't stress too much. Add a little bit of water. It's okay. Blend it all in like that. Just block out the colour. All we're looking to do at this particular moment in time is just get a couple of different tones of colour in there. Just like that. A little bit of dark here, a little bit of light there. There we go. Let's make a little bit more green. Let's get a little bit more yellow. We've got just a slightly darker green now. We want to come in just like this. Just relaxing and having fun. Breathing slowly and listening to all the noises that are around us. There we go. So all of a sudden we've developed this little bit of a dark spot in the grass, because that's where people walk. They walk their dogs and things. There's always a little dark spot just in the grass like that. Just an essence of it. Just this is where their feet go. This is where their feet go. Blendy, blendy, blendy. There we go. Nice and smooth. Bit more. Make it a bit wider here because we want to make it look as if maybe it's going away from us. So it's always a little bit wider in the foreground like that. There we are. Just blend that in. Lovely, Chapley. Okay. What we're going to do now, we're going to get a nice thin long brush, and I'm just going to a little bit of brown, maybe a little bit of black, we'll see. There we go. What I want to do is just put a few maybe essence of tree lined, little tree shapes. There's some trunks basically. A little bit bigger there like that. There we go. Could put another one just there. Maybe just there like that. There we go. And then we could put another almighty one then. Dragging it up like that. Don't worry. Just let the brush do the job. Don't want to worry too much about it. Put another one in, maybe just there. Just like that. And then we can do the rest in a second. We'll get this brush now. This is a lovely little brush I got here. I'm just going to make a very bit of light green. Tap it on. Just like that. get a bit of darker colour now.
Welcome, thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive. So grab your brush, have a great time.
There you go. I hope you've enjoyed,
And don't
and I will see you
forget
next
to
time.
click
Bye bye.
subscribe.